Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So Samsung has decided to release another version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it's a Star Wars edition. And I'm kind of looking at it a little different this time around because Samsung is known for doing this to customers, releasing out different colors and things like that after the fact. So this is kind of it's a little annoying because for me it's because I like the color scheme of this new Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's going to be released on looks like December 13th. It's going to be the day where you can start getting your order on, and then December 20th I think it officially releases, it says here. So ultimately you've got the same device here that we already own. It just is a different color, and it's got some different highlights and things like that on it. But to me personally, I would have loved to have seen just a black and red version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, or just a red version, or something to highlight the black and red, because the colors they offered are pretty cool. But OEMs are offering certain colors in certain regions, and I don't understand that way of thinking. But in the end, though, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10 version for Star Wars is ultimately the same device. But some people like collector's items. It's going to run about $1,300, it says. So that's not too far off from what the current models go for. Pretty much $100 more if it's a 512. I didn't see any memory options. So if it's a 512 and it's $1,300, well, the 512s I have now cost $1,200. So some incentives here. It's got a nice package and presentation. You get a few goodies in the box. But ultimately, I guess I'm kind of getting over the fact that they do this to us. I guess we should have expected this. I thought maybe there will be a red version coming later or something like that, but I didn't expect this Star Wars version. And ultimately, that's just what it is. It's the movie, a new version of Star Wars is coming out, and they're bringing out this phone to help promote that particular device. And so, it happens. You had the Iron Man, before, so you've got all these different versions of the same phone coming out. And I would tell a person last year when they did this with the Galaxy Note 9, when they brought out that white edition and limited it to a different region, I was pretty perturbed about that, even though I could have bought it later on. I would tell you guys, don't be in a rush to go ahead and buy this different color, because ultimately that's what it is, a different color. You're pretty much getting the same device, and nowadays you can scan your phone to make it look however you want. This is actually the white one, and I have the black one too, but you can scan the devices to look exactly how you want them to look. So don't be too deterred by this. Samsung has done this in the past, and they're not the only OEM that has done this. Is it a little agitating? Yeah, it really is. When I wish that was an option, that they would have released right away when all the phones came out. But after the honeymoon phase is over for a lot of people, they start dropping these better colors, if you will, better options. And, that's just how the game goes. Early adopters only get so much. I got a great deal on mine, $5.99 for both, with headphones and a watch or whatever. So, these are great deals. It may not be the color that's coming out. It may not be this special edition version. But you gotta ask yourself, am I getting anything different with this? The performance is gonna be the same, the cameras are gonna be the same. It's ultimately the same device, it just looks a little different. It's like exchanging your car for a different color, if you will, and that just doesn't make any sense. So if in fact I could sell this for like $900 or something like that, which I know I can't, I'd probably grab one. But I don't think I'm pressed this time like I was with the Galaxy Note 9. I really like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I think it's just one of the ultimate devices that a person could actually use today. But it is nice that they do have another option for those out there that are looking to switch, or don't have, or those who are patient enough to where they didn't buy the current Galaxy Note 10 in these colors, and they have the option to now go off and purchase the Star Wars edition if they want to. It's going to be available at Best Buy, Amazon. It's going to be available obviously through Samsung.com. This is something that, if you can get it, I'm pretty sure they'll have some trade-in value, so you probably won't pay $1,300. It would be nice if they let me trade this in, but again, it's just a different color, a different setup. It looks really cool, and that's ultimately what it's about. the unboxing experience, but then after that, I'll be using it the same as I do this phone. So if you didn't know, there is a Star Wars edition of the Galaxy Note 10. It's coming out pretty soon, so in the next 30 days or so. So if you held out and you didn't grab this Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, grab that one. I think you'll have a great collector's item. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.